All right, guys, that's it for this video. Just want to give a huge shout out to Rebus Emblems for the 6 stick-ons and the barn logo shield. It looks amazing on the side of the bike. I love the red outline. I love the work. The quality feels top work. Amazing job. Let's get another look on this side. It looks amazing. And I also want to give a huge shout out to my painter, Dany. I will throw his information and also Rebus Emblems information down below in the description. If you are in South Florida and you're looking to get your bike painted, 100% hit him up. Tell him I sent you. Tell him Fat Boy Bob sent you, and he will hook you up with an amazing deal. Oh, and side note, the reason why the bike is here right now, you will find out in the next one. Something's happened. Some more updates to come. We will see where this is leading. So if you like this, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe and hit that bell notification. It really helps out the channel whenever you do that. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram at FatBoyBobBiker. Also throw that in the description, and I will catch you all in the next one. Peace.